Thank you for considering NAG-Media to start or grow your business online. Let us share how we can help you achieve your goals with our tailored approach. At NAG-Media, we specialize in running targeted paid advertising campaigns designed to minimize your ad budget while maximizing sales. We understand that some may view advertising as risky or ineffective, but our strategic approach ensures that we reach only your most relevant audience, leading to faster sales growth. In addition to our advertising expertise, we create engaging posters and, when needed, produce compelling videos to captivate your audience and guide them through your sales funnel. Whether you're looking to transition your offline business into the online realm or enhance your existing online presence, we can create a custom website for you and implement targeted advertising strategies that will boost your business to new heights. For more information on how NAG-Media can transform your business, please contact our Chief Marketing Officer through our official website. We look forward to helping you achieve your online business goals.